Hi everyone, it's Joanna here. Time sure flies, and without knowing it, another year is about to end and we're headed towards another new year. So, as the year comes to a close, a lot of us may already be starting to plan our New Year's resolutions. Or some of us might still be trying to complete the current one before the year ends. No matter what, staying fit and healthy has always been one of the main New Year's resolutions for most people. This is the time where we would whip out our planner and start planning our workout regime and meal plans to start the year strong. It's great to have a fitness resolution. However, we know that the real challenge is to stick to our resolution. Studies have shown that 80% of people failed in adhering in their New Year's resolution by the end of January. I don't want you to be the 80%. I want you to be the 20% who not only succeed, but stick to it in many years to come. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the 7 ways to lose weight and keep it off for good. One of the first mistakes most people tend to make when it comes to starting a weight loss journey is to have the more, the better mindset. They would immediately commit to working out 5 to 7 days a week and drastically change their diet. It is good that you're taking steps and setting goals towards improving your health and fitness. However, your body and mind needs time to gradually adjust into an active and healthier lifestyle. So instead of beating yourself up when you've missed a workout session or failed to meal prep, start off easy and focus on small achievable goals. For example, focus your goal into staying physically active throughout the day by walking more, taking the stairs instead of the lift or escalator, standing up and moving around the office whilst at work, or even doing house chores. Those incidental activities will benefit your health in the long term. Or even simple healthy habits such as drinking 2 to 3 liters of water a day and getting between 6 to 8 hours of sleep. So start off by applying those simple habits and build on that. Most of the time, people fail because they start off by setting goals which are unrealistic and too overwhelming. For instance, I want to lose 20 kilos in 3 months, or I want to meal prep every single meal and work out 7 days a week. Before setting your goals, it is very important that you understand your lifestyle and daily commitments. Do you have the time to hit the gym every day? Is that realistic? Have you eaten takeaways every single day? And do you think you'll be able to change that and cook every single meal for yourself? It is important that you have an honest and open conversation with yourself before setting your goals. Don't set unrealistic expectations, because by doing that, you're only setting yourself up for failure. You would get really frustrated when you fail to show up for a workout session or you failed to meal prep. So be honest and set realistic and achievable goals, because this will lead you to success. Perhaps you're only able to commit 3 to 4 days to exercising. That's absolutely fine. If you achieve more days, then well done, and you can slowly increase your expectations. Perhaps you can only prep 1 meal a day and choose healthier options when you eat out. A realistic weight loss goal is 2 to 4 kilos a month. So if your goal is to lose 20 kilos, let's make it a 6 to 9 month goal. So I've created a video on how to design a workout plan which you can watch and set your own workout plan. Nutrition is extremely crucial when it comes to weight loss. I'm sure you've heard this saying, 80% food, 20% exercise. However, hopping on to a diet fad as part of your New Year's weight loss resolution may only lead to more yo-yo dieting, and this is not sustainable long term. If there is one thing you can do right now, is to ditch the word dieting. When we think of dieting, it is often associated to restriction, short-term, and unsustainable regimes. Most people who have the dieting mindset tend to gain more weight over time. Let me know in the comments below if you have dieted before. So, ditch dieting and change that to healthy eating instead. Focus on nourishing your body instead of depriving it, and be mindful of your eating habits. Watch this video right here and learn how you can lose weight without eating less. Most of the time, we tend to overeat because we're not aware of our hunger and appetite. We eat until we're absolutely stuffed, and sometimes we're not even aware of the food we've eaten. If I were to ask you right now to think back of all the meals and snacks you've eaten today, can you list them down? How did you feel while eating? Were you truly hungry? How did you feel afterwards? Satisfied or guilty? I've also filmed a video on the 8 types of hunger, which you can watch and learn more about your own eating habits. Once you're able to eat and stop when your body feels about 80% full, you realize that eating healthily and mindfully is not that difficult, and this habit will help you to keep your weight off for good and maintain a healthy weight for life. Our goal primarily is to become fitter, healthier, and happier person from the inside and out. What if I told you that shedding those pounds can be as easy as engaging in a little spring cleaning? Well, it's true. The new year is a good time to spring clean and organize your pantry. This is a perfect opportunity to create a clean slate of food supply at home. So remove all processed and junk food from your home that aren't helping you to lose weight. Replace them with fresh, natural food. If you store junk food at home, chances are you will eat them. If you stock up on fresh, natural food, similarly, you are more likely to eat them. I mean, just think about it. If you have cookies out on your kitchen counter, chances are you will snack on them. Instead, replace them with healthier snacks such as nuts and seeds, so that you will reach for healthier options. I truly believe that weight loss starts from home, and the simple tricks of cleaning out and organizing your pantry can help you towards a healthy lifestyle, not just for you, but for your family as well. Weight loss and health is not just about the numbers on the scale. Of course, it's important to weigh yourself to know if you're on track with the amount you need to lose. Saying that, however, I don't want you to be obsessed over weighing yourself every single day and determine your success solely based on the number on the scale. Only weigh yourself once a week and know that your progress is not solely determined by the number on the scale. If you're wondering why the number on the scale isn't moving, but you feel that your clothes fit better and that you look slimmer, that's because you have increased in muscle mass and reduced in body fat. 1 pound of muscle mass is more dense than 1 pound of fat. So even if your weight remains the same, you will look more firm and toned. Beyond that, staying active and eating well will also contribute to your overall health, such as feeling happier, having more energy, better sleep, and lower stress levels. To me, those are extremely important factors in staying fit and healthy. I truly believe that having a support system can be that extra support and motivation we need to stay on track and achieve our goals. When you're able to share your goals and progress with like-minded people, it will give you a sense of accountability. They will also be able to offer you support and motivation when things get tough. It can be either a workout partner, a family member who cheers you on, or even a personal trainer. If you do need help getting started as well as to stay accounted for your goals, you may try out our own fitness app called Feel and get access to a wide variety of workout programs, meal plans, and even mindset videos to guide you through. Links and special discount is in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Most people who jump off their weight loss resolution bandwagon do so because they don't see results within the first 4 weeks of adapting to change. We need to remember that change takes time and patience. Knowing that by adapting to healthy lifestyle practices such as exercising and eating well, you're already setting yourself towards success. But the key word here is adaptation. Allow your body to adapt. So you got to work towards achieving what you want every single day. Forget about going on the fast lane, and because it is a journey, there will be lots of ups and downs. I can tell you right now that it won't be a smooth journey and it won't be easy. You'll have days where you feel extremely motivated, and out of the sudden, you might fall back into your old habits of binge eating again. If you can foresee this, you can better prepare yourself for when it happens and overcome it with certain strategies. Remember, do not turn relapses or temporary failures into meltdowns or excuses for giving up. Instead, acknowledge the mistake. Look at ways on how you can better manage it when it happens and recommit to the path again. Alright guys, time to put your best foot forward and kickstart this new year strong. Let me know what's your fitness goal in the comments below and how you plan on achieving that. If you enjoyed this video, then do give this video a thumbs up and do hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet done it. And also let me know in the comments below what videos do you want more of. and I will see you in my next video. All the best and Happy New Year!